What's up guys, Roll here for Tech, and it's July, which also means it's the Philippines Nutrition Month. The rainy season is here also, and the food you leave out now rots even quicker. So I guess it's a good thing that in this video, we are recommending a new TCL refrigerator that can solve this very problem. Did you know a typical refrigerator uses about 1 kilowatt to 2 kilowatts of electricity per day? That's about 18 to 22 pesos in electricity cost per day, or about 540 pesos or 660 pesos per month. Newer inverter type refs only consume about 10% to 50% less. That means you could be saving up as much as 300 pesos a month on electricity or 3,600 pesos a year. Give or take 3 to 5 years, that amount could translate to just getting a brand new fridge too. One of the main reasons you want to check out the energy guide for your home refrigerator is to see how much power it consumes. Take a look at this TCL TRF259 inverter. It has a storage capacity of 10 cubic feet and a top-mounted 2-door panel that features a sturdy metal frame. Now, the inside of the ref, starting with the top shelf, we have 2 levels here. And then on the door itself, we have another 2 door shelves, which is very spacious to put in your knickknacks or whatever you want to put in here without any problems. Now, checking out the bottom shelf, we have here 4 levels of tray. The first tray is easily removable because it is assisted with a wheel, and down below that we have another 2 trays that are all adjustable. Mind you, these trays, even the ones on the freezer, are made out of a tempered glass, so putting heavy stuffs in here are not a problem. Also, this ref has a very stylish interior LED lighting, which is pretty cool. Ever wondered how much capacity this ref can accommodate? How about we try filling it up with some fresh produce and Team Yugatech's essentials? I mean, here in the Yugatech studio, we can spend hours in a day working on multiple projects, so it's definitely a must for us to have some home-cooked meals for the entire team when everyone's all here. Starting off with some eggs. 2 dozen eggs. Let's put them here. Next up is Coke Zero. We have tons of bottles here at the studio because the boss loves it. Next is cakes. We have a lot of cakes and pastries from the brand that send us food and desserts all the time. Of course, liquor. From chilled wines to beers, there's nothing like a hard-working team that knows how to chill just as hard. Now, we got some proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Because our resident cook does a lot of cooking every week, the usual suspects are adobo, either chicken or pork, bistec Tagalog, tinola, barbecue, and even banana cue. And of course, leftover food as well. Okay, let's see if we still have more space in here. Well, there's more. This refrigerator also has a very good sterilization function. A special mineral material is added into the cabinet inner to give the refrigerator the following advantages: bacteriostatic, purification, antioxidation, and dust proofing. The Twin Eco Inverter also provides better energy efficiency. The compressor and fans provide the best cooling environment for food, which not only enables long-lasting freshness, but also saves energy and money. The TCL 249 comes with an electronic temperature control, which enables you to manage how chilly your ref is by just adjusting it accordingly. Whether you have a full stock of groceries for the week or just a few bottles of cold, fruit-flavored water for drinking, the inverter technology used in this refrigerator ensures energy efficiency. It uses a variable speed compressor that adjusts its speeds based on the cooling demand. Unlike conventional refrigerators that constantly turns on and off, the inverter refrigerator maintains a consistent temperature by running at a lower speed when cooling demands are met. This results in a significant energy saving and lowers the electricity bills. In summary, an inverter refrigerator offers several benefits over traditional models. Inverter refrigerator uses a variable speed compressor that adjusts its speed based on the cooling demand. Unlike conventional refrigerators that turns on and off, the inverter compressor runs at a lower speed when cooling demand is less. This results in significant energy savings and lower electricity bills. Inverter ensures a stable temperature inside the refrigerator throughout the day. It eliminates temperature fluctuations, helping to preserve the freshness and quality of food. Consistent temperature prevents spoilage and maintain the taste and texture of groceries. Traditional refrigerator can be noisy when the compressor turns on and off. Inverter refrigerators, on the other hand, operate at lower speeds, resulting in quieter operation, and this allows for a more peaceful and quiet kitchen environment. The efficient operation of the inverter compressor results in less wear and tear, leading to a longer lifespan for the refrigerator. By choosing an inverter model, you can expect it to last longer compared to traditional refrigerators, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Overall, an inverter refrigerator combines advanced technology, energy efficiency, temperature control, reduced noise, extended lifespan, and environmental consciousness, offering numerous benefits for the consumer. The cost savings, along with upgrading to an inverter like the TCL 59, is enough reason to consider upgrading that old fridge. It can pretty much pay itself from the energy consumption that it saves. The good news is that TCL's official FB page is holding a lucky draw, so click the link in the description box below to participate, and you will have a chance to win a TCL refrigerator and more. And that was TCL's 259 inverter refrigerator. What do you guys think about inverter refs? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Narelle, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.